Welcome to this step-by-step guide. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use two Outlook accounts on the same computer. Whether you're managing work and personal email or switching between multiple profiles, this 2025 setup is quick, simple, and perfect for anyone who needs efficient inbox management on one device. Let's get started. First is open your Outlook account. Next is click the file in the top right section and click the Add account. Type the email of the other account. Sign in it to your Google account. Type your password. If your account had two-step verification enabled, make sure to complete that process. And lastly, click Allow to let Outlook access your account details. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and manage two Outlook accounts on a single computer without any hassle. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more 2025 tutorials for smarter productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.